Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to show you how you can create and sell your NFTs. So, if you don't know what are NFTs, NFT is a non-fungible token. It means that you can sell your arts on Google on different websites. So that is NFT. So that is simple. You sell your NFTs and you earn money. So in this video, I will show you how you can sell your NFTs. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So first off, you will go to the MetaMask because MetaMask is required for this. For selling and buying NFT, you will use cryptocurrency. So for that, we will have to download the MetaMask. So click on download now. Open the metamask.io website. It will automatically detect your browser and then install MetaMask for Chrome. So you will click on add to Chrome. So once you have added the MetaMask wallet into your browser, and now you would go to this MetaMask. Now you have to create an account on MetaMask because that's necessary for selling NFTs. So now if you already have a wallet, then import wallet. We don't have a wallet, so we will create a new wallet. So here you will say I agree with the terms of service. No, you can set your password. I will set my password. So now click on next. You can watch this video for instructions, and then now you have to set up your secret recovery phrase. This is very important because once you have lost your secret recovery phrase, no one would be able to recover it, and you would ask your wallet, no one would be able to recover it. So I would suggest you to copy this and paste it somewhere safe. So copy it and paste it in a notepad. So now click on next. Now it would ask you one by one to confirm your secret recovery phrase. So I have already added it. So I will check it one by one. String and nurse. So now click on confirm. So congratulations, you passed the test. Now all done. Now we have created the Metamask wallet. So we would go to NFT Marketplace that is called OpenSea. Go to OpenSea.io, click on create NFT for yourself. Click on create. Then here it would ask you to connect your wallets. So we have created a MetaMask wallet. Now I would click on this. So it would open up a box here on the right side. So you would click on next and connect with MetaMask. So here it is connected. It has been connected. Now you will click on sign. So you have successfully created your account on OpenSea. Now you have to create an item or NFT for selling it. So I will tell you how you can sell it for free without a gas fee. So click on select image. I will just generally select any image. For example, for now this one here, and then I would name it, for example, NFT. And then you can paste here your external links and you can write a description. Here I would write this is a test. So you can here add your collection and other things. So from here you would have to choose the Polygon, not the Ethereum, because if you would choose the Ethereum, that would cost you a gas fee that could be $100 or $1,000. So we have to sell our NFT for free. So we would select Polygon and then click on create. So now it will say you have created your NFT successfully. Now you want to sell it, so click on sell. And in here you can enter your price. For Ethereum, for example, I would add 0.08 or 0.02 minimum. So you can adjust your duration, and then there is service fee that is 2.5%. So click on complete listing, and now it will ask you to unlock currency. Click on unlock, click on sign. So if you have an error, don't worry, you would have to click on multiple times here, and then it would be successful. So after trying for a few times, this has been successful. Now you have to click on sign a message, and again you have to click on sign. So that's it. Your NFT is listed now. So that's how you can create your NFTs for free, and you can buy them or sell them, and you can earn a decent amount from your NFTs. So thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Take care.